Hello, fellow comrades. This is Samuel Arku-Laryea again, Trouble Constituency Organizer from the Greater Accra region. So I did an earlier video which is walking you through how to buy your nomination form and then fill it out and submit. Now, since we have a situation in some of the constituencies where comrades are buying a couple of forms to support others, I want to go through that process quickly, especially constituencies that are buying the forms to support the branch members or the branch executives. So let's go through quickly and then let's see how it goes. So first we click on buy form. So let's say that this is my party ID number. I am the one that is buying the forms, and then my number is this. Okay, then the network again is let's say MTN, and then the number is this one. That is the Momo number I'm using to pay. Okay, so like I've said already, the number you have here may be the same as the Momo number if that is your Momo number, but if you have a different number from the Momo number, you can always use the Momo number when you have to check out or pay. Now, when you get here where you want to buy multiple forms, so here let's say I'm buying just 2 forms. You know already, if you are buying 100 or you are even buying 1,000 forms, once you put in the number, it will indicate how much you are supposed to pay. So let's say I'm buying even 200 forms. You can see the amount has changed. If it is 2,000, it will change. So I am buying only 2 forms for the purposes of this tutorial video. So I will just click pay, and then always make sure that you have your phone, the phone that you are using for the payment, close to you, because a prompt will appear on it which you have to respond. So I'll click on it. Now I'll verify my information, the party ID number, the phone number, and then the Momo number I'm using. The amount I have to pay, I think is fine. I click here. This is purposely for individuals that are buying a lot of forms, or constituencies that are also buying forms for their branch executives. So please, let's take note of this. Okay, so here we are at the payment status. So here you will see you have to check on your phone at this point to ensure that you have the prompt and then pay. So I have the prompt. I'll go ahead and do the payment. When my payment is confirmed, I will now come to this space and then click on I have paid. So when you have successfully confirmed payment, you can now go and click on I have paid. Okay, so now, unlike the previous one, when you are doing it for yourself, where you go to log in and then you will find from the payment the message that will be sent to your phone. You are given a 6-digit code. When you are doing it for yourself, when you are buying one form, only the 6-digit code is given you, so that at this point when you click on log in, you can go and then use that 6-digit code to log in over here. But here you are not doing it for yourself, you are buying a couple of forms to be given to others. So when you go to the phone number that you used, you realize that you have been sent a link. You have been sent a link. Now, if I open the one that I received here, you will see this is how the link will appear. This is how the link will appear. So you have a code, and these are the codes. These two codes are the codes that I have bought, or the forms that I have bought. So I will copy the first one. I will copy the first one. And then go back to my page. So now when I go to the first page, or the home page, which is here, you will see claim form. So you that the form is bought for you, or you the one that you are buying the form, you have to send this code to the individual branch executive that you are buying the code for. Only one code to each person. So the second one will go for another person. So you can even SMS these codes to the directly to the branch executive you are buying this form for. Now the branch executive, when they go into this particular page, that is the forms.ghanandc.com, you will not go and buy form again. The form have been bought already, code have been given to you. So you go to claim branch nomination form, click on it. Here you are. So the redemption code that you have, you put it here. You can see the code that you will be given by whoever is buying the form for you, or the constituency. You will have to put the code here. Then you repeat your party ID. You repeat the party ID. That's your own ID number, and then confirm it over here. Okay, so put it here and then confirm there. Then you can now go ahead, put in your number, confirm your number, and then the redeem coupon will come. So let's try something here. Let me say that I'm using this one still. Let's say this is for this number. So I will copy this and confirm it here. Then the telephone number, let's say I want to use this telephone number. So somebody has bought the form for me. He has sent me this particular code. I put it here. Now this is my party ID card. I confirm it, and this is my number. So I put it in there. Now I go to redeem coupon. So again, confirm the details that you have provided. If everything is fine, click confirm and redeem coupon. Okay, so this is the point where your 6-digit code will be generated for you. So you can click here to copy. You also notice that this code will be sent to the number that you provided, your telephone number that you provided when we were trying to redeem this code. The same 6-digit code will be sent to that number. So click here to copy. If you have done that, now you go to log in. If you click here, you can continue, or you go to log in. So let's continue. So you see, here we are. So I remember my party card is ending with 504, and then this is my telephone number. Now the number that I have copied, I need to paste it here. Now I am ready to log in, and I'm expecting a fresh form for me to fill. Okay, so here you are. You can see that this is a fresh form for you to fill out and submit. So at this juncture, you will have to go and follow the other video that I did earlier, and then complete your form. So please, I think this may be of a good help. So take your time, go through it, and then make sure you submit your form properly. Good luck to everyone. Thank you so much. This is Samuel Arku-Laryea, Trouble Constituency Organizer in the Greater Accra region. Thank you.